I feel like I need to block everything out and stay focused on my goals. Take over the globe.
In a different mind state. I'm playing for keys like in the streets, I want it my way. Hey, fuck that state, we eating beef, we know that crime pay. They say we dogs and every dog gon' have his dying day. Rockin' that demon SRT, that big is sideways.
Well, boys, we went ahead and bought another M3. So we got one here, and then we got another there, and then we got my Trackhawk. And let me show you guys what's going on with this. So I am replacing the thermostat once again. We got a new one. I don't know where it is. I think it's right there. So I'm gonna take care of that. I don't have time because we gotta get out of here. And then we got, oh, that's yours?
I was just saying, did you just try to
I'm sorry.
steal my car?
No, I'm sorry. This is Spencer.
What's going
and
on?
his beautiful M3. He's all the way from Chicago. Before we head out, we're gonna do a quick comparison of his exhaust versus mine. So he has the Valtronic exhaust, and then I have the X-Force exhaust. Mine is like a $4,200 exhaust. Yours is
No, this whole exhaust is $3,500.
Oh, why did I think it was like $8,000?
That was my old exhaust.
Oh,
yeah, that was my old exhaust.
Boy, you man, his boy's too rich. Similar mine. He has the catless downpipes along with the exhaust, and I believe he has the intakes, but he's not tuned and I am, and I'm on E30 today. Going from 93 octane to E30 mix was a day and night difference. We somehow found ourselves in bumper to bumper traffic, and it doesn't look like that's gonna end. I mean, it's red all the way around. Look at that. This car meet better be worth it. Well, here's exactly why there was an insane amount of traffic. Got a few state troopers here arresting somebody. We were literally sitting in that traffic for 20 minutes. We finally made it to the car meet, and check out this beautiful TRX with the blue beadlocks. Love the color combination on here. And here's Josh's new Trackhawk. He wide bodied it, as you can see. Look at that, that is insane. And then he got the new wheels. So it's blue and yellow. Love the combo with the new front grille. Looks very aggressive. I think he might need some spacers up front, a lot more than on the rear. But then he got his Lambo, got an SF90, got a Huracan, and then you got my favorite car right here.
That's $1 million front.
Got an ACR. Look at this. And then you got a Cobra. And then you got this, a Performante. Green Performante. Beautiful color combo on this. And then in front of me is probably the sickest M5 I have ever seen. Look at this thing. Purple M5. I have never seen this color, and it's probably the nicest color on an M5. We got 3 different Hellcats here, black with the red stripes, blue with the white stripes, and then this is a Scat Pack actually. It's white with the black stripe. I think my favorite combination is definitely this. Love the indigo blue with the, actually, these are not white. These are like pinkish, reflective. Wow, okay, I thought it was white. I love the color combination on here. It's actually a red eye, I think a jailbreak maybe, I don't know. And then you also got the white brakes. Yeah, this is nice. And then we got a Z06 blue with red interior. Superman. And I just want to get back to this. Look at this thing. The purple with the white interior. Wow. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now let's get back to Josh's Widebody Trackhawk. There's 2 companies out there that offer the wide body kit. There's Renegade and then the company he went with. I'm not sure which one I like more because I haven't seen the other company in person, but his looks really, really wide. I think it's wider than the other company. And let's look at it from the back. I love the blue he did here. And then you got the yellow badges right there. And he also has different exhaust tips. And then he left the top black. See that? What do you think of this?
Oh my god, this thing is beefy. I love it.
No, man, thick.
Oh,
Very, she's a thick girl.
no way.
What?
That's GT Haas.
Oh, is it? It's GC. Hey, it's GT burnt. Anyways, let's get back to the Trackhawk. So, as you can see, you got the black, yellow, blue. That's kind of his theme. And then you got the yellow badges. Here are the wheels with the yellow brakes, of course. Let me know what you guys think of this.
I'll be honest with you, I love it.
Really?
I'm not a big fan of the slim body, like Trackhawk being a slim body. I'm sorry, Ronnie.
Okay, anyways.
I'm sorry.
Anyways.
No, but no.
Bye.
I love it though.
Wait, well, listen, I asked you your opinion on this, and you decided to diss my Trackhawk as a response. Now, I thought you were supposed to be nice to me. I thought we were friends.
We are friends, Ronnie. We are friends. Because you have a G80.
Okay, that's the only reason? Oh my god, this is not genuine. This is a conditional relationship, bro. This thing looks insane. The Hawk looked crazy.
You like that?
And you're leaving?
I'll be back.
Drive safe. You don't even care about the Lambo no more now.
YouTube
That's
don't care about
crazy.
that. I hit a wall.
Hey, if YouTube don't care about it, you don't care about it either, huh?
Nope.
Well, be safe, bro.
Hey, my car. It's like,
Look at that. They look good next to each other. So we're gonna get out of here because it's very hard to film. They have a DJ here playing music. There's a lot of cool cars, but it's kind of hard to film it because I don't want to get copyrighted on YouTube. So I'm like, this is kind of a waste, but it was good seeing Josh's car. Made it back home, and now I gotta get started on the Trackhawk. Here is the new thermostat. This is a 180 thermostat. I'm about to install it on the car. Hopefully this one lasts me more than a couple weeks. We got my boy Matt joining us. How you feeling, bro?
What's up?
Let's check the jewelry out, man. He got the Cardi. Okay. We got my other boy back here. And now we are gonna get some E. I gotta put my pen real quick. Now that both cars are on E85, that's kind of cool. It definitely saves me money on gas. But the M3 is only on E30, so it's not technically on E80. Well, it is technically on E85. It's just not on full E. I can only put a maximum of 4.5 gallons of E on a full tank. We pulled over because I spotted my dream car, an Aventador SVJ. Look at this thing. What a beautiful color combo. Look at that. Carbon fiber wing. Look at that. You got the V12 right here. Wow. Oh my God. Orange brakes. Wow. Look how aggressive this thing is. And one day, I promise you guys, I'll own an SVJ. That's your dream car too, huh?
My dream car. One day I'll have that bitch, don't worry.
It's the next day and we made a stop at the dealership. We got my beautiful Trackhawk, but let me show you guys some of the cars they got here. We got the 7 Series, it's a 760. We got a G63 AMG satin black. Then we got the Maybach S680. Then we got the Ghost. And then we got a Bentley, a couple Bentleys. Ooh, we got a GT350 right here. We got this Porsche, but this GT350 is pretty cool. Manual, of course, because the GT350 is only coming manual. And then we got the Slingshot. This thing is pretty fun. I actually have never driven one of these. Is it manual? Yes, it's a 5-speed manual. And for those who don't know where to go when looking to buy a new car, definitely think of Twins Auto. They have some of the coolest inventory. Here's what they got inside, and believe it or not, this is a super light day. They got a red eye right here, skinny body, plum crazy purple. And then we got, I believe, a GT63, or maybe it's a 53. They look the same. They got this Bentley. Not a fan of the Bentleys. They got an Aston, and they got 6.9's old Urus. I actually made a video on this, a more in detail video about it, of how it's here and the whole backstory on my other YouTube channel. So I made another channel that isn't strictly about cars. It will have more daily vlogs, behind the scenes. It will just have a bunch of random stuff that don't make it on this channel because this channel is only about cars. So if you want to see more than just cars, be sure to subscribe. I will have a link in the description below. This turned out to be a GT53, which is a 6-cylinder bi-turbo, where the GT63 is a V8 bi-turbo. And if you don't care about having all that horsepower, you could get the GT53, which is identical to the GT63. The only difference is the motor. You just have 2 less cylinders.